first step in performing a dilution is getting the original solution itself. Here you can see the student getting exactly 50 milliliters of water to perform the dilution with.
You're all set out on the flat surface. Good.
This student is now pulling the second concentration into her pipette using a dropper. This allows her to get an exact amount to put into the original solution, so her dilution equation can be very accurate.
Okay. And one thing.
To allow for a proper concentration of each to be mixed, simply read at the meniscus. The meniscus is the curved line on volumetric features that allow you to measure exactly. To read one, measure right below the meniscus to get an exact measurement. Reading right at the meniscus ensures that you are using constant values when you are working with chemicals. This comes into play especially when you are doing a dilution experiment. What is dilution? Dilution is a change in concentration based on one volume to another. Here you can see that the original stock solution, which is the original concentrated liquid, is being multiplied by the original volume. In the second part of the equation, you see the new concentration being multiplied by the new volume. If you change any of these variables, you can find out an unknown, such as if you multiplied the first concentration with the first volume and divided by the second volume, you could find the unknown concentration of C2, as seen from the equation below. In this problem, C1 represents the stock solution, which is the original concentration, while C2 represents the diluted concentration. The difference between the two is the altercation of the concentration based on the change in volume, which would change the overall concentration of the liquid itself. Before you leave, make sure that you clean up your workstation. Make sure to wipe down all counters and surfaces, and clean all glassware with soap and water before exiting, making sure that they are all dry so the next student can use them effectively.